Hi, I'm Shireen Tilley, and I'm the State Director for the Corporation for National and Community Service. We're right now celebrating AmeriCorps Week, the week of March 11th. So you're going to see your AmeriCorps members out in your community wearing their A and doing service projects, especially in the Manchester area. The broad activities that these AmeriCorps members are involved in, you can't name them all, but they're working with the homeless, they're working with kids, they're working with seniors, they're helping provide healthy meals, food banks, the list goes on and on. I love working with these programs because I get to work with dedicated Americans who are volunteering to make their communities better. I love to see the enthusiasm and how they know they can change the world one person at a time. It's just amazing to see what one single AmeriCorps member can do to improve a community. And when you add that up year after year, it's just incredible the difference that they can make in just a town, a city, or the entire state. AmeriCorps members serving in New Hampshire, you make my day. You make my day every day and make my job so worthwhile. I'm just jealous that I'm not able to go out and do the AmeriCorps work that you're doing. But when I retire, I will be there. So thank you again for your service. We hope that you'll join us and look at our website and our Facebook pages to find out service opportunities where you can come along and work alongside our AmeriCorps members.